What is going on, guys? We're back with another video. This time I am underneath the seat, as you can see. I'm trying to take out the gas tank, hopefully disconnect the diff, and well, I mean the diff from the transmission, well, the drive shaft, not the diff, and then hopefully we can start taking out the motor like I said earlier. Still haven't done it. I don't really think you can see much here, but right now we are working on disconnecting the gas tank. We already drained it. Removed the flaps, the straps. I have them somewhere over there. I don't even know where the hell they are. And right now we're just working on removing all of this. Oh, yep. See, it's starting to come down a little bit. Not all of it, but a little bit. So we just gotta disconnect probably something from the other side. So let's just take a quick look. Oh, Jesus. So now we cannot see crap. I do apologize for the lack of lighting. Let's see where. Can't see anything. Alright, so where is it? It's still hitting. Oh, it's probably. So it's probably these two little hoses that are left. I don't know if you can see them. Those two right there. Probably once I disconnect that, it'll probably come off. It's really freaking rusty under here. Wow, this is really bad. Alright. Whatever. I guess we'll just try to remove those two straps and go from there. Oh, the angle's probably not all that good, but of course they would be screwdrivers. A little screw head and everything, also a friggin' bolt head. And now I need to go out. Yeah, I guess I just gotta get a screwdriver, so I'll be right back. Alright, so that took longer than I expected, but I finally did it. I got it. I think I got it. I can't even see. Oh, it might be stuck on one more hose. Yeah, this right here is the gas thingy over here. I'm gonna get up in a second and show you guys everything, but it was a pain in the ass. It was stuck with one of these. I just cut it, called it a day. Oh, these goggles that you saw me wearing, trash. They get steamed up, they're garbage. The other thing too is that, let me see if I can get some light in here. Alright, see, I had to cut the hoses because I wasn't going to reuse them. At least I don't think so. I don't know. I'll find out later. The other thing too is that I forgot that this obviously holds fuel, and I cut them and I got fuel all over my hands and almost my eye, thanks to the goggles, even though they got steamed up and they're trash. But yeah, so if you're gonna cut them, just make sure you have like a little rag or something to stop the fuel from getting out. Alright, so this is just stuck with that one hose that's already ripped, as you can see. So I'm just going to cut it. Let's see if I can cut it. See if I can do it with you guys here. Maybe not. Yes, cool, did it. And gas tank is out, and as you can hear, it still has some gas in it, which is not good. But whatever. Oh man. Alright, let me just show you the. Alright, so this right here is this thing hanging off, and I had to remove the, I guess it's like the expansion tank or something. It goes inside, it bolts up there. Just removed it. Oh, somebody cut my little fuel flap thingy. It's supposed to sit like that, and then, you know, it's supposed to sit there so then if gas spills out, it doesn't get on the car. I don't know. I don't care. Somebody cut it. Gone. That's it. Trash. Well, I'm glad finally was able to take out this thing. I've been trying to get this out for like a few months now. There you go. Next up is to remove this piece of turd, and then hopefully we can finally move on to the drive shaft that I've been trying to do for weeks, months, I don't know. Doesn't matter. I do it whenever I have spare time, which right now, thanks to the the issue that we have going on over here in New York, I've had some time. So let's start doing this. Okay then, back to the inside. In order to remove this thing, it's a few bolts in here. I think it's a 17. Oh yes, I thought I was gonna lie, but no, it's 17. Let me see if I can give you guys. Really isn't like a better angle. This sucks. All right. Let me see if I could rig. Hey, I guess that's the best you're gonna get. Do apologize, but that's the best that I can do. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Let me just drop you guys. Oh, came off. That was easy. Jesus. Come on, man. Alright. Alright then. That wasn't so bad. Now comes the hard part, which is at the bottom. Let's see if... Alright. Alright. Should be good. There you go. It is one? Two. There's two more down here. Probably can't see it that well. Oh, choked me out with my own tools. Alright. So... what the hell is that? Looks like a nest. That's nasty. Hopefully they're dead. If not, burn the whole car down. Which is probably what I would have to do anyway, seeing as how it's rusted beyond life. I hope you guys are able to see right there. Alright. Oh, it's smaller. This is small. I think this is a 15. Wow, smaller than a 15. Alright. Probably a 13. Wow, there's another one. Okay. Alright, got all 3 of them out, or 5 of them, but I keep forgetting that there's still something else in here that stops it from coming out. I think there's some bolts on the other side of this. I'm not really 100% sure. It could just be the fact that it's rusted on there, so I'll try and kick it, see how it works out. Oh. There's one more bolt inside. I forgot. Where's this again? 17? Alright. Shit. As you can see, it's like right there in the corner. So, let's see if I can get it. Should come out now. Let's see. Hey. Jesus Christ. What? Yeah, give me a second. Alright, so got it out. That's first things first. I basically had to bolt it back in there. I had to wedge this like this, basically, and then from there, pop. From there, just hit it with this piece of turd. Bolt snapped, but it's good.